Heading off on a number line to explore the magic table of 9. 9 ones are 9, that's where we start, with 9 bright stars and a happy heart. 9 twos are 18, give a cheer, let's spin around like a carousel here. 9 threes are 27, oh so cool, like 27 fish in a swimming school. 9 fours are 36, watch them glide, like 36 bees on a garden ride. 9 fives are 45, jumping high, like kites that float across the sky. 9 sixes are 54, let's dance and twirl across the floor. 9 sevens are 63, sailing ships out on the sea. 9 eights are 72, riding dragons through skies so blue. 9 nines are 81, shining bright like the midday sun. 9 tens are 90, that's the end, but the table of 9 is now your friend. So clap your hands and tap your toes, where the table of 9 so proudly grows. With rhymes and rhythm in your mind, you'll count by 9s in record time. So whenever numbers start to shine, just sing along the song of 9.